Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Let's dive right into our word of the day, appropriate. It's a B2 level adjective that means suitable or right for a situation. To better understand appropriate, think about something that fits the context perfectly. For example, wearing formal attire to a wedding is considered appropriate. It shows respect and aligns with the expectations of the occasion. On the other hand, casual clothing might not be appropriate for the same event. Some common synonyms for appropriate include suitable, fitting, and proper. Let's see these in action. The movie was suitable for all ages, so the whole family could watch it together. His calm demeanor made him a fitting choice to lead the negotiation. A proper introduction is essential when meeting someone important. Now, let's talk about antonyms. Words like inappropriate, unsuitable, and improper convey the opposite of appropriate. For instance, it was inappropriate to interrupt the speaker during their presentation. Shorts were unsuitable for the cold weather. The judge ruled the behavior as improper in the courtroom. In everyday life, appropriate is a word you can use often. Imagine you're deciding whether to send an email or make a phone call. You might say, which method would be more appropriate for this situation? It also works in polite conversations like, do you think this is an appropriate time to bring up the topic? Here are some example sentences to solidify your understanding. The teacher praised her for her appropriate response during the debate. It's always appropriate to thank someone for their help. The party planner ensured every detail was appropriate for the theme. To sum up, appropriate means suitable or right for a situation. It's a versatile word with useful synonyms like suitable, fitting, and proper, and antonyms such as inappropriate, unsuitable, and improper. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Try using appropriate in a sentence and share it in the comments. See you next time.